I'm going to say this one more time, all right? Talking and communicating with the seller is the number one key that you need to learn, you need to master if you want to convert more leads into extra deals, lock more property out in contract, get a bigger spread on your wholesale fee, all right? And it's not about what question you ask, but it's how do you ask the questions to get the seller to drop the price and drop it like it's hot. For example, in this video here, this is a real recorded call that I have with an actual seller. I asked him what he wants for the property. He said 280. And with me asking him this one question, that got him to go from 280 down to 220. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it added a lot of value to your life and to your business. And if it does, please show your boy King Khang some love. But no further ado, boom!
Well, according to Zillow, it's worth about 300. So I don't know.
So are you asking 214? What's that?
No, I'm not asking. I'm just what I'm saying is we looked it up at Zillow and it's worth about 300. So
okay.
All I need is you tell me your offer and then I'll go from there.
I see.
I'm not gonna say I want this so much, you know what I mean?
No, I understand. It's just that it's 215, so I guess that information is wrong. So let me.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's worth 300,000. Is that in as-is condition, or do you think that's after repairs?
Well, I would imagine that would be in good condition. So I would say that minus 20. You know what I mean? So that would be about 280,
So 300.
But,
so you're looking to get around 280 for the property? Is that what it is?
Yep.
Okay. About what we do and what we offer, and hopefully together we can come to an agreement on something that's fair, that works for you and for us. So I know that we buy properties like yours all the time. We're willing to buy the property in as-is conditions, which means we will be responsible for all the repairs, all the updates, all the work that the house is going to need after we buy from you.
Mm-hmm.
With that being said, I guess what's the best that you'll be able to do for us on price?
Yeah, like I said, you were going to make me an offer, so make me an offer and then I'll think about it.
Yeah, pay for all the closing costs. So things like, all the excise tax, the transfer tax, the title insurance, the escrow fee, no realtor commissions. So once the mortgage is paid off and we take care of all the closing costs, all the fees for you, do you know what's the least you would consider as a walkaway net to you in your pocket after everything's said and done? This is in your pocket.
Probably, let's see, probably 180.
Probably 180. So, okay, so let me see.
But, and the thing of it is that, that is a really nice location there. If I'm a union carpenter, so I can tear it down and I can build a brand new house there. You know what I mean? And I can, so I can, so I can make a, $600,000 home, there easily. You know what I mean?
Gotcha. You think it's worth
I have the property. Excuse me?
So you're saying if you tear the property down and build a new one, you can get $600,000 for it?
For a new house, yeah.
Gotcha. Oh wow, okay.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna be a nice house. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be a 2-3 bedroom. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a nice house.
Yeah, that's true. It would
depending on the it will be a good size.
Yeah, it would have to be a super nice house and because it's hard to get that kind of pricing.
Well, depending on the location, yeah. I'm 3 blocks away from the. Either way, I'm right in the corner, so I'm 3 blocks away from the harbor.
When I take 180 plus whatever you owe, 39. So basically you're asking 219 for the property. So that's with us paying all the closing costs and all the fees. So the walk away to you is in your pocket is $180. You know, when there, you know, there's no realtor commissions, you know, no fees. We can pretty much, you know, close on the date of your choice. Could you see yourself going a little bit lower than that for us?
I would have to think about it.
I mean, if we cover all the closing costs, all the fees, and we buy the property as is, obviously there is no tax or anything you have to pay.
If you like that and if you want more, dude, check out my King Khang Seller Script. I'll take your game to a whole nother level. I'll show you, all right, how to talk, how to communicate, how to filter, how to qualify the leads, and then I'll show you how to call them back, negotiate, and lock that property up in the contract all over the phone. Link is right below, and let's go get this money.